Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here, and I picked up these Jabra Elite 65T earbuds for Black Friday. Picked them up on Amazon and show you here. As you can see, normally they are $169.99, and right now they're on sale for $99.99. And I've always wanted to pick up a pair of these Jabras, so I thought this would be a good time to do it. They do come in 5 different colors, and the black, which I got, and the gold beige for $99.99, but the copper red, copper blue, and copper black I believe are $139.99, so I just picked up the cheaper one. Of course, I do have my Apple Earpods, and from the reviews that I've seen and people doing comparisons with these, seems like the Jabras are better buy, especially right now at doing Black Friday sales. I can only assume they'll stay on sale for Cyber Monday. Also, up to now, I've also always stuck with the cheaper ones. I have these old X11s and from Traylab, and they've been very, very good for me. And a few weeks ago, I picked up my Innov Y1, and they're pretty good. But like I say, I've always stuck with the cheap earbuds. So now, figured let me try something a little bit better. So just unbox them, see what they look like. Well, let's go over and what it has. 4 microphone enhanced sound. Customize your music, proven wireless connection, up to 5 hours battery life, and with the case you can charge them twice without recharging the case, so you'll get 15 hours if you need it. It's got 2-year dust and water resistance, and Amazon Alexa is built in. Jabra. There's the box. Nice packaging. There they go. They look really good. I like the way the packaging is. We get our start guide here. Mini USB charging cable, and a bunch of ear tips to get them comfortable for us. So there's the charging case, our micro USB on the bottom. Let's take them out of the box. Okay, so the Jabra Elite earbuds. These are the black with the nice gray trim. Very attractive to me. I'm going to use my OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's see if we can get these turned on. And we are paired. Place something just to check out that we're paired, and we'll try last night's Friday Night Tech Talk. Okay, it's working. Let's go try a little music. Sounds really good. I just wanted to let you folks see that I had them. I got them on sale for Black Friday, and I'm very happy about that. So, as usual, thanks for watching, and comments are welcome.